This video shows how our UCAB dim works with our linear light bar series of LED kitchen lighting. It's a small mini dimmer, a wireless mini dimmer that can work with the entire range. You can operate just one light bar from it, or when connected you can operate many meters of these light bars all together using just one dimmer. So you connect as follows. Simply plug the power supply into the input socket of the UCAB dim, plug the output socket from the UCAB dim into the light bar itself, like that. Then take the little wireless remote and you press once to turn on and once to turn off. That's one quick press to turn on and off. Once the light bar's on, if you press and hold the button, it increases the brightness, and press and hold again and you can dim it right down, stopping at any level that you like. It's as simple as that. That's our UCAB dim from led-supplies.com.